Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. If this is your first time here, I do project videos using a Glowforge 3D laser printer. And if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you will be notified when I drop a new video. Welcome to the project. Okay, for Father's Day, I ended up getting these two little small plants. They are called Haworthias. I think I'm saying it right. Let me make sure. Haworthia, that's how you say it. And they supposed to be really easy to maintain because I don't want no plants to die or anything like that. But in this project, we're going to make some little bitty mini plant stands for these Haworthia plants. So I'm going to use acrylic and walnut. So I know I'm going to use some 1/8 inch black acrylic, 1/4 inch black acrylic, and some 1/4 inch walnut, Troy the Maker style. So the design that I have in mind is to put a cross at the bottom, and then it's gonna have 4 ends. And I'm gonna put some legs to come off of each side of the cross. I want it to stand up, and it's gonna probably stand about 1 inch off of the ground. That is the idea that I have in mind. Okay, now we in Corel Draw, and this is what I came up with. This is the cross that I said is gonna sit on, and this is gonna be cut out in 1/4 inch black acrylic. This part right here is gonna be cut out in 1/8 inch black acrylic. And I got these cutouts right here in each one of these sides. That's what the cross is going to go through right here. It's gonna fit inside of all of these right here. And this right here is what I'm gonna use to cut out walnut. So what I decided to do was take this image of this desert that I found on Google, and I'm basically going to put it right on top of all 4 of these, like so. So when I cut it out and engrave it in the walnut, it'll have that desert look, but it's gonna be on each one of these, which is 4 of these, which I'm gonna glue on top of this black acrylic right here to go on the outside. So it'll have that desert look in the walnut going all the way around the plant stand. Now we are in Glowforge print. So basically when I get to the walnut, what I did was select walnut, and I got these parts in here, what I just showed you, what's gonna be cut out. As you can see, the new colorway is this orange color, and this is the PNG. So I'm basically just gonna take the PNG after I made it the size that I want it to be, which would fit inside of all 4 of these pieces right here. And I'm just gonna basically take the PNG and I'm just gonna put it directly inside of all 4 of these, like so. So that way, let's zoom in a little bit. So that way you can see how it's gonna look. So basically it's going to engrave the blue part, and it's going to cut out the orange part. Okay, we have all of the pieces cut out. I already put one of them together. I used E6000 to put it together. It is still drying, as you can see. But the second one, I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it together, and I'm going to use this double-sided Gorilla Tape. Okay, so how I'm going to put it together is very simple. I'm going to take one of these right here with the cutout, and I'm going to take one of the walnut pieces. Of course, I'm going to take off the masking paper, and I'm going to tape these 2 together like so. So as you can see, it's gonna have the hole right there, the hole cut out in the center, and the walnut will stop this from going all the way through. So I'm gonna then take this inside of there, so it's gonna stand just like this, and I'm gonna do this all the way around. Okay, as you can see, the Gorilla Tape is a little bit too wide for these little small pieces. But as you can see, the tape stretched all the way through. So therefore, you might can't see, but it's tape inside of there. So this part on each corner of this will fit inside of there, and it will connect to the tape. And there you have it. Laser cutting some mini little plant stands for my plants. Now I knew adding that walnut would make it pop, especially with that green. It just gives you those earth tone colors. And yeah, I really like how it turned out. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else.